Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting and informative video. So today we will be learning some tax measures. So very first, let's see the demo, what we are actually going to do in this particular video. So I have taken a dummy sales data for various years. So this is the data, like it has data from 16, 17 and different years. So what I wanted to achieve in this particular video is, like, depending on the year selected, I want the cumulative data up till that particular year. If I'm selecting 2017, I want all the data till 2017, like it should be total profit of 16, 15, 14 including 17. If I'm selecting 2016, it should contain all the total profit data till 2016, so it would include 2015, 14 and 16 as well. So let's see how we can achieve this particular requirement. So let's start to replicate this particular requirement from scratch. So I will take one new page. I will take one filter. Then I will add the year data into it. I will change the setting to drop down. It is bit convenient as compared to other. So the next step is to write the measure. So I will quickly create a new measure. So the very first thing is, like, how we can identify what which particular filter is selected, like whether it is 2017, 16 or 15. So for that we will identify that first. So I will give name as cumulative data. I will be using variable. I will give selected year. So there is one inbuilt function called selected value, which will allow us which particular filter is selected based on the filter selected. I will quickly show you the demo of this. Selected. So I will take one data card and I will simply paste the cumulative data over here. So if it is so in this filter there is nothing selected, so due to that it is representing as blank. So if I'm selecting 17, it will represent 17, 16, 15 and 14. So in this manner uh, we can identify which particular filter is selected. So the very next step is to calculate the cumulative data. So let's give the variable name as cumulative data. So calculate, we will use calculate, and what we want to sum the profit. So from orders table we will take profit column. So I will apply the filter. Along with the filter, the very important step is to add all keyword. So it will filter all the elements of uh, the order date, and now we need to filter the order date. So we need to filter the order date by the selected value. So this would be the selected value. So you can either use the variable or you can use this particular function directly. So to make the code visibility look easier and simpler, I will be using directly this particular thing. So it should be less than or equal to. So just to reiterate the requirement. So if we are selecting 2017, it should give all the data to till 2017. So it should be equal and less than. I will simply paste this. Will close all the brackets. Yeah, and that's it. And I will simply paste. You can remove this line as we are not using it, so it will make our code look smaller and easier. So let's see now. If I'm selecting 2007, yeah, we are getting the correct data. But if nothing is selected, it is displaying as blank. So just to avoid it, as blank doesn't look that familiar to our eyes, so let's do one thing. Let's make use of is filtered. So for that we will create one variable selected. So is filter basically gives the value like whether the filter is selected, I mean filter is applied or not. So I will quickly show you the demo of this particular function as well. Is filter on what we need to check, order date dot year. So for a while I will remove this and I will show you selected. False. So is filter basically displays the boolean value. If nothing is selected, it will represent false. If something is selected, it will represent true. So based on this, we will be using it to make our visual look better. So I will quickly write the if else condition. If selected equal to true, then simply give the cumulative data. Else uh, we need to write the else condition as well. If nothing is selected, simply we need to give the overall profit, like whatever the profit it is. So we have the as we have overall profit, so I will create a variable total profit. So for that, calculate, it would be a basic line of code only. Sum of orders profit till date. So by this we can also verify whether it is working perfectly fine or not. Let's see. So if nothing is selected, it will give overall profit up till date. And if we are selecting 2017, so 2017 means we need the cumulative value of all the years profit. So yeah, nothing is changing means it is working perfectly fine. And if yeah, so yeah, it's working perfectly fine. You can modify your code by giving the dollar sign over here into your measure. You can perform various activities. I will quickly show you how I can change the currency value. You just simply need to, yeah, so it is giving it in form of currency. So this is it. If you guys have any questions and doubts, please comment below. Also, if you want any video on specific topic, you can comment below and I will try to make the next video on that particular topic. So for now, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like and share as much as possible. Thank you.